Okay guys, so it is 3 a.m. Okay, I was not paying attention at the time, and then I realized, probably not the best time to be awake. And I thought, you know what, it's a rare chance that I'm actually up at 3 o'clock. So I was like, maybe I should do a challenge. I don't know, I don't know what I'm thinking, but like, I'm trying to think of a challenge right now. I thought like maybe I could be on camera and let me think. Ooh. I know, challenge. Okay. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, so as you guys might know, my room is right there, that door, and let's just go for it. Let's. I'm just scared, bro. I'm so scared. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I made it to my room. Okay. Ooh, this is. Can we make it to my bed? I'm like actually like, if you can see, I'm actually like shaking right now. Like this is serious. Like I thought I heard something back there. Like I don't know. Okay, let's try to make it to my bed. Okay, let's go. Okay, we made it to my bed. Okay. Are my eyes red? I can't tell, but like I think I made it. I think I beat the challenge to get to my bed at 3 a.m. I didn't die, so. Wait, what was that? What was that? Should we go check? Like, okay. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, did you see that? I don't know if the camera picked it up, but like I saw a figure. The door. I'm not doing this, bro. I'm not doing this. The door is open. Oh my gosh, I can't. I don't know. I don't know what to do. What do I do? What do I do? I don't know what to do. It's 3 a.m. What am I doing?